My name is Sharish Kumar. I am from Tech Multitech, Dr. Rangarajan Engineering College. My project topic storage is secure erasure, a code-based cloud system with a secure data forwarding. Abstract. Storing a data in a third-party cloud system causes a serious concern over data confidentiality, and there are some functionality restrictions on the storage system. We focus on designing a cloud storage system for data robustness, confidentiality, and improve the functionality of the storage server. This all can be achieved through a threshold proxy reconfiguration scheme and integrated it with the decentralized erasure code such that a secure distributed storage system is formulated. System study. Here we have to see about existing system. In existing method, messages are first encrypted by the owner and stored in the storage server. When a user wants to share his message, he sends a re-encryption key to storage server. The storage server re-encrypts the encrypted message for authorized user. The message in storage servers, a user can encrypt messages by cryptographic method. Before applying an erasure code method to encode and storage messages, proposed system, proxy re-encryption, RSA algorithm, more security, data reliability, functionality. System analysis, hardware requirement. System Pentium 4 2.4 GHz, hard disk 40 GB, monitor 15 VGA color, RAM 512 MB, software requirement, operating system Windows XP, front end ASP downloaded with C Sharp, backend SQL Server 2005. System feasibility. The feasibility of the project is analyzed in this phase on business and proposal put forth with general plan for the project and some cost estimate. During system analysis, the feasibility study of the proposed system is to be carried out. This is to ensure that proposed system is not a burden to the company. For feasibility analysis, some understanding company of the major requirement for system essentials. Economic feasibility. These studies are carried out to check economic impact the system will have on the organization. The amount of the fund that company can pour into the research and development of the system is limited. The expenditures must be justified. This developed system as well within the budget, and this was achieved because of most of the technologies used are freely available. Only the customized products has to be purchased. Here the system design. Here the user check the registration and login, key generation, private, retail, spooling, encryption, combining everything. Here the storage server first check the decryption and spooling, re-encryption, decoding and encoding. Here the key server access the generate encryption key, G generation, privilege, retrieve. Class diagram. Here the user and storage server and the key server, key generator. Here the user first send to the request to the key generator, and the key generator give the generate and give the key to the key server, and the key server give the store the key in the storage server and give it to the user. This is the work in class diagram. Here the activity diagram. First we have the registration and login. After registration we have to go login page. While registration, the key generate and store in the database. While login we have to give a username and password and data store and retrieve and forward. Here the split and the encrypt and the encode and store into the database. And here the retrieve is decoding, decryption, combine and store in the database. Here the forward is store the message as the forward and generate the re-encryption key and re-encryption and store it to the database. Here the sequence diagram. Here the sequence diagram contains the key generator, user, login, key, re-encryption on so. Here also the user sends a message and the user checks them and key generate and stores in key server, and again key server store into the store database, and after database is connected with the user ID. After the user ID will access and give the key generation. Here the output. First we have to give the login page. We have to give a sign up, and the page will look like this, and then we have to register. After register we have to size the queue size and we have to store generate the key, and after generating the key we have to get the login id and the password. Here we have to login and password. This is our home user page. That's all. Thank you.